Oh my. It's an earthquake. Everybody evacuate. Evacuate. Run for your lives.
This isn't an earthquake, you dummy. It's a tornado. There is no reason to evacuate for a tornado.
There's two reasons to evacuate. Listen to all of the people dying. You have to save them.
I'm not saving them. It's your food joint. It's your responsibility.
I can't. I'm dying too. Save me. Save me. Save me. Save me.
You're not dying. What would be causing you to die anyways?
The gas. The gas.
There is no gas. What kind of gas are you talking about?
Your gas. It is so smelly. It's killing me.